Friends, welcome back to another video. Hope you're fine now, friends. In this video we have a look of Chinese coin. So I'm not a financial advisor. If you want to invest in this coin, please do your own research. In this video I will show you the price predictions of the Chinese coin, what's the price change goes, what's the high price, and what is the current status of Chinese coin in a cryptocurrencies market. So friends, before starting this interesting video, if you're new on my channel, so please remember to subscribe my channel for more this kind of latest news and updates. So friends, as you can see on the screen, that is the live price predictions of the Cherries coin of the last one day, the previous day price predictions chart, the change you are watching on the screen, friends. If you look, the price prediction change occur in the Cherries coin in the last one day as positive 1.42%, and the high price of Cherries is $0.495475 is the high price of Cherries coin in the last one day. If we look the price prediction graph of the Cherries coin after last one day, so the graph is a really complex structures occur. This means that a Cherries coin take a jump for a lateral time, and after a jump they again falls down, take a jump, again falls down. A really complex structures occur in the Cherries coin. That means that a cryptocurrencies change your life in a minutes, because as you can see the change occur in only in 1 minute. They take a high jump, and after a high jump they take a falls down in 1 minute. So friends, now let's check it out for more details. The last 2 hour price predictions, what's the change goes in the Cherries coin in the last 2 hours. Here is a surprise news for all of Cherries coin holders. As you can see here on the graph, at this time now the currently price change occur in the Cherries coin is absolutely good. They are moving upward. The price change occur in the Cherries coin in the last 2 hours is positive 0.03%, and the high price of Cherries coin is $0.474185 is the high price of Cherries coin in the last 2 hour price. So absolutely a good change. Now at this time they are moving upward. Now let's check it out the currently status of the Chinese coin in the cryptocurrencies markets. What's going at this time live in the cryptocurrencies market of Chinese. So friends, absolutely a good change that will happy my heart at this time. The last 1 hour price predictions is absolutely a good. As you can see here, the price change occur in the Cherries coin in the last 1 hour is positive 0.84%, and the high price of Cherries is $0.472541 is the high price of Cherries coin in the last 1 hour, friends. So friends, according to the price predictions of the last 1 hour, last 2 hours, and the last one day, the my suggestion for all of Cherries coin holders, if you are a holder, so please hold your Cherries coin with the last of this month, because we can't say about the future of any cryptocurrencies. Maybe they falls up, falls down in the future, maybe they jump upward in the future, we can't say. But my suggestion for you to please hold it, because the big explosion and the big pump up are coming soon of the Cherries coin. And if you want to buy a Cherries coin, so absolutely, as you can see now on the screen, that is the last 1 hour, that is the current price. Now they are in the jumping mood, so it's the best opportunity for you to buy a Cherries coin. What's your opinion about Cherries coin? Please share in the comment box, and remember to subscribe ABS Tech channel.